Hi, I'm Mason.
And I'm Charlie. And here's our good friend and also ex-convict, wink wink, we got him out, finally, Aaron Crawford. Let's give him a round of applause.
For my dish, we made this in prison a lot, especially me, because I was in solitary confinement. I was gonna use 2% milk, but Mason's a big dumb nerd and we only have almond milk. I don't know where the 2% milk, Charlie, I'm over here. Steak time. Now you want to make sure you coat the whole steak in milk, otherwise you just don't get the same texture that you get in prison. So sometimes you need to add a little extra.
Man, this is some good Coca-Cola. Oh no, I'm about to drop my Coca-Cola.
Now, as the last part for the best steak in the world, you gotta top it off with jelly beans. Savory and sweet. Can't go wrong. Make sure to wash your hands before touching the jelly beans.
Today, we're making some nice sushi pastry. It's a combination I don't see very often, and luckily I have already pre-made the pastries, and these are high quality. So you can expect only good things from me. Now I've got this random Ziploc bag full of rice I found in my backyard, and people say water first, I say rice first. Before our rice is done, you want to add in some rice vinegar, because that's rice too. We need to fit this tuna into this already made turnip. Okay, and we're gonna add the rice in after, which we drained a lot of the tuna liquid into the rice. Good. Now time for the rice. We have a lot of extra rice, so you could be making this meal for months. Okay, we got like 2 more steps here. We gotta add in some wasabi powder into here. You know, there's no such thing as too much wasabi powder. And we're gonna be finishing off this recipe with some salmon furikake. It tastes like salmon, and it's gonna work perfectly on top of here.
Hi, my name is Mason Cripe. Obviously coming from non-existent Italian heritage, I know how to make the perfect Italian food. Now my mama, she always told me with Italian food, you need extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil makes your food perfect. Extra virgin olive oil adds that extra spice. It helps it heat up, and you know, it's really gonna make it good. So we're just gonna cover our pots and pans in it right now. And let's just kind of get that in there. There we go. Olive oil gives that extra flavor. It's nice, and I mean, olive oil, it's just delicious, you know? Now, for our sauce, we need Mama's 2 secret ingredients. Come with me. Let's just get that in there. You don't need too much thanks to our other secret ingredient.
hold on. Oh.
Hi, we're back. We need to solidify our sauce with some flour. While our sauce cooks, we're going to add in our pasta. First, we're going to start with bow ties, because we are a more fancy people than those Americans. Some macaroni noodles, or as we call it, cavatapé. Now obviously, I'm using the simple stuff. It's time for the real deal, the lasagna, or as we call it in Italian, lasagna. Look at me, Mama. Garfield is smiling on us tonight. Some of the hand. You know, they used to use this sauce to fight the Soviets back in the 50s. Nightmarish bunch those guys were. Back in 57, this sauce, the recipe almost got stolen by the great Giuseppe Monomidi. It's a shame. Well, thank God, I still know the recipe. And I can pass it on to the next generation of Italians, and hopefully the audience at home.